Institute of Aromatic Studies, and today I'm going to be introducing you to our latest product under Caticorn Dreams. So this is our Summer Blends collection. It comes in a cute travel tin like this, and the idea behind this collection is we want to arm all of you to have a worry-free summer. So while you're having your vacation, I wanted you guys to have this travel collection wherein it has all the oils that you'd ever need while traveling. So basically it comes in this basic but really significant essential oil blends. And first, let's talk about Relieve. This is my favorite blend. Let me just set these aside. So for Relieve, this is a blend that includes wintergreen, peppermint, blue tansy, helichrysum, and spruce. And everything is diluted in FCO or fractionated coconut oil, so you get the best quality of essential oil blends. I like using FCO because it prolongs the life of your essential oils. FCO is one of the most shelf-stable carrier oils that you can ever use with your blends. So before, when I was having my workshops, if you've attended one of my earlier workshops, I know you've seen me use sunflower oil, you've seen me use grapeseed oil, and as I go along, I've discovered that FCO is like the best choice for our blends, and that's why all of our blends now come in FCO. So with this is actually very special because this is one of the few blends that you can use for your migraine, for to help anything about your body aches and pains or muscle sores. You can definitely use this. This is a very multi-purpose relief blend. That's why it says Relieve. And it's great for anything that's painful. So anything that's painful on your temples, on your body, muscle aches, you can definitely use this. And let me just take a whiff. It's so good. This is my favorite because as compared to all the other relief blends or all the other pain blends that you see, most of those are actually high in mint or high in wintergreen or peppermint. This actually harnesses two other oils like blue tansy and helichrysum. So blue tansy is a very good anti-inflammatory oil, and helichrysum is also a good relieving oil. So here it is. You can see that it's very tinted in blue. That's why it's very special. And if you check the prices of these oils, for example, if you wanted to buy your own helichrysum oil or blue tansy oil, you can see that it's very expensive. It's one of the premium oils, and I wanted to give you guys something that's premium, something that you can use every day. But what I did with this collection is I wanted to give it a twist, like give it a fresh new twist with regard to the blends. And so instead of using your regular wintergreen and peppermint for a regular pain relieving oil, I wanted to use all these uncommon oils that you won't normally buy for yourself, maybe because it's so expensive for your everyday use or whatnot. And I wanted to put them all in this blend so that you can experience these unique oils, these expensive and premium oils. Okay, next is Good Bug. Now, of course, it's already March, it's already summer season, and what comes with summer? It's dengue season, and that is why I decided to include this bug repellent blend as part of the kit, because I find it very useful, especially if you or your family loves to go outdoors, to spend your summer outdoors, maybe just play around outdoors in the playground or whatever, go to some fishing in the valley. I really don't know. This is very useful if you plan to stay outdoors and 5 to 6 p.m. you're still out. I'm sure you'd reach for this and use this. So this one is, I purposely made this blend that it's safe for kids, for pregnant women, for lactating women. It actually has citronella as its base, and then cedarwood, lavender, spearmint, thyme, and patchouli. Okay, thyme is very little here. So little, the dilution, that it's safe enough for pregnant women, breastfeeding women, and children. Thyme is actually safe for children, pregnant women, and breastfeeding women, especially if it is under the chemotype linalool. So I've used that thyme in here. It's very little. You can barely sense it. You can sense more of the citronella in it actually. And I've added all the other bug repelling oils so that it's multi-purpose. It doesn't just repel mosquitoes, it also repels ants, it repels bugs and other things. So that's why it says good bug. It's very functional. It's one of my best sellers. Alright, and thirdly, we have this Solace. So this is actually my Antistress blend that comes in this kit. I know you, all of us, whenever we're traveling, one way or another, there will always be an instance that we will feel stressed or anxious. You know, there's always that one instance that would make us so anxious. I wish things weren't that way, but you know, there's always something that comes up. And whenever those things would come up, I wanted to arm you guys with something that would easily calm you down, would easily bring you back to your balance. And that is the main purpose of this. This is basically a mix of sandalwood. Sandalwood is also one of those expensive oils that you don't normally buy for yourself. It smells good. The mixture is really relaxing. It has frankincense, cypress, geranium, lavender, ilang-ilang, sweet orange, and chamomile. Okay, so with this blend, the ilang-ilang is not too strong. I know if you've seen a lot of my videos, if you've followed me for a while, I know you'd know how much I love ilang-ilang. But for this blend, I honestly toned it down because I know not everyone loves ilang-ilang. I've actually talked to a lot of my students who have told me they don't really like ilang-ilang. I've met one student who's actually very allergic to ilang-ilang. In fact, it caused her palpitations. You know, not every one of us will have the same taste as regards to preferences of smell with our essential oils. So with this blend, I decided to make it more, I guess, away from what I like. More of what you would probably like. And this actually has a good base of citrus and a little floral through lavender and geranium and sandalwood. The sweet smelling ilang-ilang is not pronounced here, so don't worry. I also put here chamomile. And so it has a slight blue tint, but not as dark as Relieve. It has a slight blue tint as compared to the Good Bug because it has chamomile. And the blue tint here is actually very relaxing for your body. It's also anti-inflammatory. So you'd really find this useful whenever you're stressed or anxious, or you know, when you're feeling iffy. This is a good blend to just put on your pulse points, over your heart, down your neck, or maybe behind your neck, at the base of your neck. This is a really good blend. I love this so much. But of course, I still prefer my ilang-ilang. But you know, this is a good choice for those of you who don't really like ilang-ilang and would rather something that's fruity floral but not too floral. It's actually a beautiful mix of your fruity and your floral in one bottle. And what's special about this, as I've said earlier, is that it has sandalwood. Sandalwood is one of those expensive oils. Also, sandalwood is one of the oils that is used in temples for meditation. So it's that good. The special ingredient here is your sandalwood. It also has frankincense. It also has chamomile. So those are the expensive oils that you can find in this blend. Okay, and whenever you buy them all together as a set, it comes in this very cute and special portable travel tin kit. Easily slips in your purse, or you can give it away as a gift. It's very cute, and all this as a set is priced only at $595. It's very affordable. Each blend, if you buy them separately though, each is about 199 pesos, and everything, whether individually or as a set, everything is available through our Shopee at Caticorn Dreams, or it's available at Native Bird, and it's available at Nest Genie. Okay, so if you wanted to go for the C.O.D option, you can actually get that through Nest Genie or Native Bird. And check this out, it's already available there. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed getting to know our latest collection, and I hope you guys will try it. And as a special treat for you guys, I will be putting down a little promo code for our Shopee so that you can get this at a discount for a limited time only. Okay, so I hope you guys will try this out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you.